If you want to live a life which is full of peace, prosperity, and abundance, then you must understand what your true potentiality is and how to work in it. Once you understand your true potentiality and start working on it, gradually it will take you to a zone which is known as cosmic zone of excellence. This is the zone where the most successful people, the geniuses, and the most brilliant people operate from. And gradually you start attracting all the abundance of life towards you. So, if you want to understand how to play in the cosmic zone of excellence and how to identify your pure potentiality and how to live a life with prosperity, peace, and happiness, then I invite you to join a 3 days workshop with me wherein I'll be helping you step by step and give you a process how to identify your pure potentiality and how to enter into cosmic zone of excellence and how to attract the abundance in your life. If you want to attend this workshop, click on the link given below.